Make sure you submit your pictures, your glamour shots, to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com. Whether you have an active YouTube channel or not making videos, it doesn't matter. We just want you to participate and have a lot of fun. For the month of August, we have Wasteland's Warlord, and that's going to be a great build. Our guest horseman is Gaslands NorCal. This is going to be a great, fun build, and I hope you all participate. And we welcome Gaslands NorCal into the guest horseman ranks. Thanks for joining us today in the Four Horsemen. There was a lot of great builds today, and we thank everybody that participated. We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the Four Horsemen at 4 Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. Thank you, and cheers.